Hey everyone, I'm back with the third Ego product review here for Lawnporn. Today I have got hold of the new 56 volt brushless blower. This comes in a kit for about $500. Comes with the quick charger, which is a fan force charger. It also comes with the 5 amp hour battery, so it's the same size battery they use in the mower. So if you're keen on the mower and you go, oh, maybe the battery won't quite last me long enough, but I need a blower, get the kit, and then where you've actually got 2 batteries and you can interchange them between all the tools and go for gold. This blower is a very powerful blower. I'm used to a 2-stroke petrol blower which puts out about like 500 or 600 cubic feet or cubic meters of air. This blower is 980. That's almost line ball with some backpack commercial blowers. I'm really interested to see how this goes. That's pretty light when you're pretty quiet, not light. What I might do is get to blowing the yard or have a bit of fun with it, clean up some of my clippings that I've just finished trimming up, and give the rundown on it afterwards. Guys, here's the blower up close. Trying to see, this is the little attachment you can take off that nozzle. That's the nozzle just that I thought I'd chuck on it. So this is the air inlet in here, so it's actually really good. I'll get right in there. Might even be able to see the fan actually. See, if you're left or right handed, it doesn't matter. A lot of blowers have an inlet just on one side, so if you're left handed in the blower and it's on the wrong side, then it's a bit of a pain to actually get to or use. So again, 56 volt, just like the other one. So it's got the big 5 amp hour sitting on it. So yeah. Oh, that's the hook for the shoulder strap. That's your normal thing, and that's like that cruise control as well that I talked about as well. Turbo, once you've got one of those engaged, you can turn on the turbo and turn that on as well. Little seat thing that sits on. But apart from that, that's pretty much it. It's pretty basic, to be honest with you. I might even see if we can get in here and undo these perhaps. There we go, excuse me. There we go. Actually get right in here and have a bit of a look at the fan. There you go, because that's the impeller. So that's pretty cool. You can see the impellers in there. Kind of like a jet engine almost. Pretty cool if you ask me. That slots in pretty easily as well. So yeah. That is the blower. So what'd you think? I was pretty blown away by it, pun intended. The blower is really good, it's really powerful, so I like the fact that you can adjust how much or how little just by the trigger. And if you really want to go nuts, you can use turbo. The other thing that I have noticed that it has got on, I didn't use it this time, it's got like a cruise control. So if you want to dial up just a bit, so that's pretty good. You would have noticed that I've actually got a nozzle on the end. So this is one of the nozzles that it comes with. Get it off, there we go. This comes with a kind of like a half flat nozzle, but it also comes with a really wide flat one for the paths and everything. So it's really great for when you're doing things like driveways and that. You can put on one of the flat nozzles and it keeps and directs the air down. And it keeps a bit more velocity, a bit more power or airflow coming through. Otherwise, if you're using grass and that, it's actually really good to use just the straight outlet. The blower itself is quite a decent weight, especially with a 5 amp hour battery. Because of that, it will also give you a nice little shoulder strap. I didn't use it at all. I've only got a small amount of blowing, so you guys just saw me do the backyard, and what I'll do now is I'll quickly go and mow over everything now, because that's the order that I do everything in, and tidy up the yard a little bit. So overall, really impressed with the blower, really impressed with the line trimmer as well, and also the mower. So I think if you're in the market for something to cut your buffalo, your kikuyu, your rise, your fescues, anything else like that, you're cutting at about 20 or above, 20 millimeters or 2 centimeters and above, then definitely check this out. I mean, it's cutting up nearly, you can probably cut 350 square meters with a lawnmower without needing a battery change, so that's pretty good. And then you've got these other tools as well. So good thing about them is that, you know, you can chuck them in the car if you need to, take it down to a friend's place if you're going to help them out, or do whatever you need to. So yeah, really impressed, so get onto it. As with all of our videos, if you've liked this, give this the thumbs up and subscribe as well. Cheers guys, get your lawn on. I've never woven a line trimmer so quickly and so easily than that before. That's brilliant.